Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kyodokan. I'm Ryusei. Today I'm going to introduce my favorite recipes of corn. First one is corn and rice. In Japan, corn and rice is very popular and there are so many variations. For example, cook the rice the core of corn and stir fry corn grains with butter and mix them. But today I'll introduce another recipe. I've cooked corn and rice so many times in different ways. This recipe is the best for me at the moment. The nice sweet taste of corn and a little bit salty taste of rice are perfect. And then I'll introduce Japanese corn soup. In Japan, this kind of soup is called suri nagashi. Suri means rub, nagashi means pour. In this recipe, I will use milk, but I'll use dashi instead of it. We can enjoy pure corn flavor from these dishes. I hope you enjoy them. First, I cook corn and rice. Yes, let's go! At first, I peel corn. In Japan, yellow type of corn is popular. However, recently, red and white corn are attracting attention. Which type of corn is popular in your country? Okay, I fold the corn into half. And I remove the grains. I remove them like this, but it's okay to do it any way you like. Good. Okay. Then I separate these grains. Nice. And today I'll cook the rice with the nabe. Of course, you can use a rice cooker as well. Okay, I add 250 grams of rinsed rice. And 250 grams of water. And 10 grams of Usukuchi. And 2 pinches of salt. Then I add the core to bring out the flavor. Good. At last, I add grains of corn. Good. I soak them in the water. Perfect. Looks so nice. I'm ready to cook. Then I cover with a lid and I'm going to heat it. Today I won't explain the way of using the nabe, but if you are interested in, please watch this video. Or please ask me. I open the lid shortly. Nice. The flavor and the sweetness of the corn is brought out. Okay, I've cooked the rice. Open. It's so beautiful. The sweet smell of the corn and the roasted smell of the rice are amazing. And then I remove the core. And turn over and mix them. Yes, I got okoge. Okoge is this brown rice which is loved in Japan. This flavor makes the rice even more delicious. Okay, I arranged on the rice bowl. Looks so good. Finally, I top okoge on it. Okay. Corn and rice is done. The sweet taste of corn and a little bit salty rice are perfect. Next, I'll make Japanese corn soup, suri nagashi. First, I add 700 grams of water to this big pot. And 5 grams of konbu. I let it stand for 15 minutes to bring out umami. Meanwhile, I prepare the pack of Bonito flakes. I place 5 grams of Bonito flakes on a sheet of kitchen paper and fold it like this. It's very convenient for taking dashi. Okay, 15 minutes later, konbu has split and it's ready to extract umami. And today I use 2 corns. I peel the skin as well and fold it into half. Then I add the corns into the pot. Okay, I'm going to heat them. I turn on the heat. The level of fire is low to extract umami from konbu and to bring out the sweetness from corn gradually. I cover with the lid and heat it for a while. 10 minutes later, the temperature increases gradually, but it doesn't boil now. I turn over the corns to cook them evenly. Okay, I heat it for more 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, I open the lid. It boils, and the smell is really nice sweet. And then I add the Bonito flakes into the pot. Bonito flakes add more umami to this soup. This soup has umami of konbu and Bonito flakes, and the sweetness of the corn as well. Once I add the Bonito flakes and heat it for about 1 minute, I turn off the heat and let it cool naturally. Okay, these corns have cooled down well. Then I remove them from the pot. Good. I also get rid of konbu and Bonito flakes as well. I squeeze Bonito flakes to extract as much flavor as possible. Okay, and then I remove the corn grains. It's okay to do it any way you like, of course, like this, and this way is also good. Nice. Okay, I've removed all grains. Good. And I keep some corn grains for decoration. They will give nice texture to the soup. And today, I use a food processor. First, I add corn grains into it. Okay, I cover with a lid and make them into nice smooth paste. You can use a mixer instead of it. On the way, I add dashi to it. Dashi helps to mix them more smoothly. I recommend to add dashi gradually when we use food processor. Okay, I mix them again. Nice. I've got a beautiful corn paste. And then I strain this corn paste to make it more smooth texture. I stir and strain it. Actually, this work is one option, we can skip it, because we can eat the remaining paste. But I'm sure this work is really heartfelt, because this work is not easy. On the contrary, it's tough work. This work needs a heart to make tasty food and give a heartfelt dish. Okay, I add dashi to loosen the soup. Please add dashi until it reaches your desired thickness. Okay, and I transfer this soup to the pot. And I transfer dashi to a small cup as well. I recommend to keep it for adjusting the thickness of the soup. Okay, I turn on the heat. I stir it occasionally not to burn. And I add dashi again. Today I make a bit loosened soup. Nice, it's good thickness. Then I add 2 pinches of salt and 5 grams of Usukuchi to keep nice yellow color. Okay, I taste it. Perfect. We can eat it right now, but today I'll keep it in the fridge to chill. Yes, corn soup has cooled down well. Finally, I arranged on a plate. It's a very beautiful yellow color and it really goes well with this plate. And then I decorate corn on top. And today I prepared boiled edamame as well. I'm sure green color makes this soup more gorgeous. I also arranged on a glass bowl. Japanese corn soup, surinagashi, is done. Thank you. Did you enjoy? Today I introduced 2 corn dishes. I'm sure there are so many kinds of corn dishes in the world. If you like, please teach me your country's corn dish. Thank you for watching to the end. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Have a nice day. See you later.